Excellent. Well, my name is Chris, and I'm the Algo Man here on TikTok and as well as over on our YouTube channel, guys. Thanks for being part of today's recap. We're just about to get started. Let me tell you, in today's recap, we're actually making a switch. We're going to be focusing on gold. That's right, baby, gold. At the request of several of our subscribers who trade gold and asked to see one of these sessions, we're going to give you exactly that. We're going to walk through what caught the trade, how the setup worked, and what the entry and exit looked like, and all the little details. Okay, we're going to go. We're going to do this a little different today, guys. I'll be using a 10-minute gold chart, and you might be asking why. Because I'll tell you the truth. Look, gold is one of those symbols that lends itself beautifully to algorithmic style setups right now, and I just happen to be working on a really robust algorithmic strategy for it. Now, I'm about, I would say, 80% through testing it, and when it's ready, in about a month and a half, I'll release it. But for now, I'm going to show you how the idea looks like in action. Now, for today's breakdown, we're going to use this 10-minute chart with PureMO on it, and on a 10-minute time frame, you're sort of capturing the broader momentum swings in gold, and PureMO is perfect for that. So we'll run through how that played out today. Now, remember, this isn't a standalone play. The 10-minute chart, guys, we're using today as part of a much larger system, one we've tested and refined, okay? Just because I'm showing it here doesn't mean you go plug it in and treat it like magic. It's a piece of the process. You've seen the system it comes from. This fits inside the toolbox we've built, all right? So just keep that in mind. Now, for those of you who are asking, how is profit calculated on gold futures? I'm going to give this to you right now, so you may as well just take out a pen and paper and write this down, okay? Because it's pretty simple, all right? It's $10 per tick, and each point is 10 ticks, essentially, all right? So it's essentially $10 per tick, and each point is 10 ticks, okay? That means every full point move on one gold contract equals $100 in profit or loss. So when you're capturing a move of 5 or 6 points, that's a $500 to $600 trade per contract. Now, if you trade 5 contracts, do the math. This is a serious product for serious traders, guys, all right? And that's why I was, asked by a couple of the guys who traded, for me to kind of provide some context here on the live studio. I know you guys are watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everyone who's joining over on our YouTube as well as our TikTok here. Yeah, gold is insane, man. It's a lot of institutional guys trade it, a lot of hedge fund guys trade it, but today's our turn to trade it, guys. So it's going to be fun to see how this beast plays out. All right, so here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, guys. This is gold today. So we're not going to take anything on this first huge monster bar that just, collapsed right out of the open, okay? And I'm just using a very simple chart. We'll dress it up afterwards. We'll kind of give it, a little bit more context, but this is enough right here.
Order filled.
This is where you enter your trade, okay? Right there. Why? Because you've got your leading function right here, which is the lead line all the way down. Look at that. All right, that's telling you that this is moving. And there we go, guys. There is gold. Now, where do we get out of this trade? We're going to exit this trade, guys, the moment you get the tilt with the purple line, okay? The moment this purple line right here tilts above the green line, that's when you're going to exit the trade. This is a 2-contract trade right here, okay? Nothing crazy, just a 2-contract trade. And it's already up over $8,000. It's just amazing. It's a very good product to trade if you have the right tools. That's the key. And as I said at the outset, I'm developing a really robust algorithmic strategy that's going to be used to trade gold. And that I'm hoping I'll get it to release in about a month and a half once I'm done testing it. Yes, this would be for the 9:30 a.m. open of the market. So this is almost done right here, guys. The moment it tilts out, that's the moment that we're going to get out. And right there, you see the tilt? Okay, this is the moment we close
Order filled.
That trade right there. And that is it. You are done. There is nothing else left in that trade. Right there, that's where you would exit the trade, okay? And that was a very nice move to the downside. 42.29 to 41.27. That was about, I think I clocked about $20,000 on that move. That was today, okay? This is how easy it was to trade gold, okay? Nothing complicated, very simple, okay? Using a 10-minute chart and PureMO. PureMO is designed to capture these long sustained swings in price right here, okay? Now, this is when price just kind of rolls over and starts consolidating or going back up in a little bit of a short covering move right there. Here's how you could have dressed up this chart if you would have wanted to get a little bit more context, okay? You could have always added CYMO, and I get CYMO out of the box at 13 right there. Let's see how that looked, okay? There you go, right there. Told you that the market was already coming down since the previous day right there. Look at that. Market's coming down. It's telling you, hey, you know what? Price is going to drop right there. You got confirmation here, and you took the trade all the way through. Now, if I plot your reference zones here with CYMO, you can tell that, you know, it's sunk all the way down below 0.80. Okay, that's just to kind of give you a little bit more context. Okay, so you got cycle 1 right there. You've got the commencement of what appears to be a down leg right there for the trend. Okay, and you probably have another little pull to the downside, maybe right there, and then back up. That'll be the end of cycle number 2 right there. So this is cycle 2 right there, commencing. Okay, that's how you can dress it up a little bit, just to kind of give you a little bit more conviction as far as where price is going right there. You can also add your VWAP on top. Make it look like a Christmas tree. No, I don't suggest that. Okay. But it's not a very complicated instrument to trade, guys. If I go back to yesterday's session right here, okay, you can see it quite well. The same thing. You had the pop right here, right out of the gate at the open. Look, okay, right there. You would have taken the trade on the second bar, and you would have taken this bad boy until the tilt right there. This would have been a nice size move in yesterday's session as well, which would have been there. And this whole thing doesn't fade until PureMO hits the threshold right there, which is all the way up here. Check this out. There's really no momentum right there. See right there? That's this bar up here. Okay? That's that bar right there. Okay? Just kind of fades all the way through. But there's really not a lot of momentum going up that way. But right here, you could tell that price was going to move right before the market opened as well. So you would know that, hey, cycle is going up. And if cycle is going up, I mean, you got the signal right here with CYMO 3 bars before price went up. Okay, 1. Okay. Actually, I'll count it from here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and boom, there you go. Cycle 1 right there. And let me just go ahead and add this as a reference line right there. That's set to 0.90. And there you go, right there. This is where price goes into a trend. So you got cycle 1, you got cycle 2 right there. Okay, but you're getting out at the strongest part of the move right there, and you are done with the trade, guys. You are done with the trade. And there's a whole bunch of more examples right here that I can give you guys on the chart, but suffice it to say, this is a really robust indicator to use on gold if you plan to trade this instrument, okay? And for the guys who were watching who requested this, you want to see the open, there you go, guys. There is the open right there. Yeah, I ran this till almost about 12 noon, and that's it, okay? It's pretty simple on a 10-minute time frame. And of course, I replayed this at 30 times the speed of the market, so it went pretty quick. So the algorithmic strategy is going to do something very similar to what you saw right here with PureMO. It's going to tell you when to enter. It's going to tell you when to exit the trade. But the only difference is that it's going to be optimizable for you. All right. Now, for you guys who are watching, you know, what I suggest is, look, replay the 10-minute gold chart using PureMO. Identify the moment where momentum tipped, all right, which is right here to the downside and right here to the upside, okay? Your entry, your exit, nice and clean. But just mark your entry and mark your exit, okay? And you want to capture your reasoning. That's the key. And you can share it with me via Telegram. I'd be happy to look at your charts. But this is how you train your eye. This is how you develop that edge, guys, okay? And for everybody else, if you're still on the sidelines, you're still watching and waiting, still hoping that something breaks out, let me be blunt. You're missing out. The tools are here. The opportunity is there. PredictMO is also available as a standalone indicator because so many of you guys have been asking for it. The volatility indicator is absolutely free on the NinjaTrader ecosystem. And you can just click the link in my bio, take them for a 7-day spin, and join the tribe, guys. Time is going. It's already October 21st, okay? Are you going to let it pass? I mean, really? So if you guys have any questions, just drop them in the comment box. Gold is not as complicated of an instrument to trade as the NASDAQ 100 or anything else. It's a pretty straightforward instrument to trade, provided that you have the right setup and the right tools to do it.